Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya from Elimu Habs Math. We're going to do question 8a from NECTA 2015 Form 4 Math paper. So the question is about arithmetic series. Question says, how many terms of the series 3, 6, 9, 12 are needed for the sum to be 630? So we have series here 3, 6, 9, 12 ... and some numbers were added from this series, and then we got 630. So the question is asking us is how many numbers were added, how many terms. Okay, so we have Sn is equal to 630. We need to find n. So you need to think about the formula that connects the sum of series, arithmetic series, and the n. And that formula is Sn equals n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so what is a and what is d? Well, a is the first term. So a is equal to 3. D is a common difference. It's a number that increases or decreases between the numbers. So in this case, we can see plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So the common difference in this case is positive 3. All we have to do now is substitute the numbers in. So we know we have Sn is 630. So 630 is equal to n is what we're looking for. 2 times a, 3, so plus n minus 1, and d is 3. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this 2 by doing the opposite of division. So I'm going to multiply, and that will give me 1260 equals to n, and 2 times 3 is 6, plus n times 3, that is 3n, negative 1 times 3, that's negative 3. Okay, so let us simplify this now. It's equal to 6 take away 3, that is 3. 3 times n is 3n. 3n times n is positive 3n squared. And now I can see I have a quadratic equation here. So I'm looking to have one side as 0, and I can do that by subtracting 1260 both sides. So then I can rearrange this with the highest powers first, and I can have it as 3n squared plus 3n, take away 1260, make it equal to 0. Okay, now can I simplify this further to make it easy? I can see 3, 3, is this number multiple of 3? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9. So yes, that number is divisible by 3, because if you add all the digits, you get a multiple of 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 throughout then. This will give me n squared plus n minus, this give me 4 and 2 and 0 equal to 0. Okay, so now I'm looking to factorize this because I've got a number here 1, and I can think of two numbers that multiply to make 420 and add or subtract to get a number 1. So I can easily see 20 times 20 is 400. So this is 21 times 20, this number here. So 21 times 20 is equal to 420. I need to end up with a plus 1, so I'm going to make this number positive and this number negative. And those are my numbers that are going into my bracket. So I've got here n, and plus 21 here, and negative 20 over here. So now I just need to solve it. So if you take the first bracket, then you have n plus 21 equals to 0. Therefore, n is equal to negative 21. Or you have n take away 20 equals to 0. So n is equal to 20. Which one do you think is the answer that we need? Well, n is a number of terms that were added in order to get 630. So you cannot have a negative number of terms. So therefore, the number of terms then, we got to write it down. The number of terms is equal to 20. You need to be very specific when you answer a question like this, because yes, you get to this point, but you could lose a mark if you don't say the actual number is 20, because part of it is to check your ability to use math in real life situation. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye for now.